Hey everyone, okay, so today we have the best concealers of 2018. So there's one missing because I don't have it here, it's somewhere else, but that is the Too Faced concealer, Born This Way concealer, I believe it is, I think. It's amazing, I've spoken about it many times. You get a huge amount of product in there for around about the same price as most other high-end concealers, and it is a triumph. You can use it as a foundation as well. So, ones I've got in front of me, other than that one. So first off is the Huda Beauty concealer, the Overachiever concealer. And this is a phenomenal concealer. I tend to favor the Huda one over Too Faced, but they're both really good. It's just different preferences. I also really just like the applicator on this as well. It's just stunning, but you know, to each their own. It's a great concealer. Use it as a foundation. You'll need to use less product, and you know, it's amazing. CoverFX, absolutely brilliant concealer. A bit, as I mentioned in the previous videos on this, bit of a pisser, this opening, because you're going to get overspill, but it's great. You get a huge amount of product. This is an amazing, use it as a foundation as well. This is an amazing concealer, Mercier, and this is the Flawless Fusion. I can't get my words out tonight. Beautiful, radiant concealer, really radiant, really good if you're slightly on the more mature side. Also, Magic Away concealer by Charlotte Tilbury. Unfortunately, you don't get a massive amount of product in here. You get 4 mils, which is actually better than the retoucher, which you get 3.5. So, you know, at least it's a step up, and it's a great concealer. If used as a concealer, it'll last you quite a while. How much do you get in the other one? Who knows, because I need the Hubble telescope to see it. But great concealer. NARS Radient concealer, I spoke about it for years. It's still brilliant. You get a really good amount of product in here. It isn't that radiant, but it's a really good concealer. Best to use this as a concealer, not a foundation, just due to the fact that there's not a huge amount. And technically this is a foundation, but we use it as a concealer as well. I use it as a foundation and a concealer. And it is the MAC Full Coverage Foundation. This is an old school grease-based makeup. It's not a cream, it's a grease-based makeup, and it is phenomenal. Really old school. You're looking at sort of Joe Blasco, RCMA, Alexis Vogel foundations, really old school, beautiful grease-based foundations. Quick tip on these. If you've got dry skin, a grease-based foundation is really good for you because it's good for the skin. Don't powder it, and this is just a funny tip, but as you move and you're making expressions, foundation will shift. Or you know, if you say it's moving around the eyes, all you do is press it back in again. You don't need to powder if you don't want to. Sometimes the most beautiful makeups require the most amount of retouching, but this is a great one. There you go. Done. The best concealers of 2018. See you next time. Bye-bye.